Yeah, manager, I can hear you. Yes, I've been trying to reach you. Oh, okay, it's okay. You see, I've been trying to get access to my account and it's not working. I can't even make transfers. What's going on? What? My father has no right to freeze my account. No, you don't tell me that. My father has no right to do that. Now unfreeze my account or you meet me in court. I said unfreeze. Father.
Now listen. Remember my orders.
The girl must be brought to me immediately. Don't want to hear stories.
Yes, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, what if we encounter any disturbance from an unlikely quarters? We need to be on the know in case there is anything.
I am the king of this kingdom. Now listen. The only solution to life is death. Nothing. No one stands on my way.
Communicator to Kobo. Yes, Master.
Shebi, you say you be king, oh, yo. Shebi, you say you get power, oh, kanenenu. You say money they rule the world, but money no save the world. You say power they rule the world, but power no go save you for that. Every to the way, onyebu anamwa, live a live, oh, Ferrara. Besara kwa ririmbo urapu go kwanu mmanya uwamo urapu go kwanu mmanya onye kam ga kosara no onye kam ge besara kwa ririmbo.
Mama, what is wrong? Somebody help me, please! Please, who is around? Help me! Mama, what is wrong with you?
Someone came to look for you.
What?
Someone came to look for you.
And, Mama, listen, I have to take you to the hospital right now. Somebody should help me, please!
Listen to me.
Mama, what is it that you're talking about?
Listen to me.
I am listening.
I should have told you long before now.
What is it, Mama? This is not the time for this. I mean, you need to go to the hospital. You need medical attention, please.
But you're a mother.
Mom.
Yes.
What did you just say?
That's the truth.
You're not... Mama, listen. You are my mother. Ever since I've started living in this place, I've known you as my mother. You are my mother, no one else. Don't tell me that. Mama, listen, this is not time for this. Please, let's go to the hospital. Let me take you. Let's go, please. Mama.
I will be what I'm meant to be. Makana akaraka na dieme yangi chao. I will be what I'm meant to be. Makene we all na chia na churu ijijio. I will be what I'm meant to be. Makana akaraka na dieme yangi chao. I will be what I'm meant to be. Hey, ne we all do na chia na churu ijijio. Sinachi. Hi, la 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 la. Chinemeze,
Is that not a baby's cry? I thought I heard the cry of a baby. What happened? Let me help you. Else we'll lose lots of blood. Let me help you.
I know I'm definitely going to. You have to raise this baby as your home. Please, don't let them take her away from you.
Hi.
Give your hand. Give her this when she comes of age. She bears the symbol.
My God. Oh, I need to help you. I need to help you.
Agamabuno iya sinamgabu. Agaye mabuni ya choro kamburu. When the waves of life come blows at you, don't worry. Jidekijie. Mane echifukwana n'onye ga-abụ eze. Echezokwala n'onye ga-achị ọchịchị. Destiny may be delayed, destiny cannot be denied. Akara aka na adịghị.
This is fruitless! Hey! Someone just tell me what I will tell the boss, please.
We tell him what he wants to hear now. Yes, we tell him the whole family are dead.
What are you talking about? And you think he's gonna buy to that story? He will. All he wants is that kingship. And he's not going to tell us to bring the corpse. That's a stupid question to even ask.
In fact, is there any other thing he needs again? Let's just go and get our balance from boss and get out of his life.
Simple.
Yes.
Let's go. You think this is a good idea? It's a good idea. Let's go. Let's go.
Mama, what is this?
Give me it.
What?
Takachi, I love him.
Mama, please don't die on me. Don't die on me. Don't do this to me now. What are you saying?
You should not argue.
Mama!
Help me, boss.
Mama, please. I have to take you to the hospital now. I don't know what you're saying. I don't know what you're saying. Mama, please come. Mama, nothing will happen to you, please. I have to take you to the hospital. You will not die on me.
Smile.
You will not die on me. Don't tell me that, Mama.
You're a gifted princess.
Alright. Mama, okay, fine. I'll take you. Mama! Hey! Mama, please don't do this to me. No. Don't do this to me. Mama! Hey!
You guys know the reason we're here. We're going to get the girl alive. And no stone should be left unturned. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, boss.
Why are we sure she's here? I mean, we have been here before. Let's go cover other grounds. She must have friends or playmates.
Shut up! Have you forgotten someone already told us she has returned? Her mother's corpse will delay her. There's no time. Ogadero, guys. Come on, let's go.
My friend, this pregnancy really fits you.
What kind of nonsense talk is that? What does that supposed to mean? Huh?
Now I can see that Akudo can really see future. Yes, she saw yours and is very, very right. But thank God, though, she don't see my own future. If not, maybe by now.
What are you trying to insinuate now? What's your point?
There's no point. What I'm trying to say is that I'm happy for you. And I'm so happy you're making your family so proud. Hey!
I see. So Ada, the reason you came to my house is to mock me up here. No. You actually came to mock me. Hey Ada?
I am not mocking you.
You that I thought is my friend.
But we are friends. Wait, can't I joke with you anymore? Are we no longer friends?
Joke.
I can see this your pregnancy is really itching you.
Why you are feeling beautiful? Yes. Why you be no? Why you touch your There is no girl in this world that will not get pregnant. You will soon carry your own, and we'll see how you carry it. Yes, I will see it.
I am not ready to get pregnant, Uri. If a man comes, fine. But for now, I don't care. I came to tell you something very, very serious. Akudo just lost her mom. Yes.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious.
What happened to her? How? What happened?
I don't know. Nobody knows at all. They just saw her lying down dead. inside her compound.
What of Akudo?
That one. For where? Nowhere to be found. But I heard that Akudo's mother's body has been deposited in the mortuary. That's what I heard. This, my friend, this your pregnancy really fits you. I am suspecting you're going to give birth to twins. Twins!
Ada.
Hey, my friend.
It is you, your generation, and your unborn generation that will give birth to twins.
What did I do wrong?
You cannot mock me, Ada. You cannot come to my father's house and mock me.
I'm not mocking you. I'm just telling you. I thought we are friends.
Come. I've had enough. Can you start going? Can I start going?
Ure, I should leave your house.
Can I start going?
I should leave your house.
I said,
no problem. No. Don't worry, I will go. Don't come running to me. Don't come running to me when you have issues. I should leave your house.
Because you have problems.
No problem.
You are my helper.
I'm not your helper.
Because Nabage, get out from here.
I came to you as your child.
Go!
I'm going.
I will not
carry your pregnancy.
I will never look for you, my
Yes, I've heard.
Even if you are my savior, I would rather die than come to you for help. You are here to mock me. Come on, get out and go forever. Bye bye.
My prince, what you are asking me to is very risky. What if the king finds out? You know the consequence.
No, the king will not find out. I promise. I cross my heart, the king will not find out. All I ask is for her to stay here for some time. That's all.
The same thing. You know people can talk. People can talk.
Please. You can't possibly do this to me. She won't be here for long. Please do this for me. I'm very sure.
Only 2 days.
Sure. 2 days is enough to come and take her. 2 days is okay. Please. Thank you. You have to stay here for some time, alright? Like you said, 2 days. I'll be back for you. I'll raise money and we'll move to the city.
Are you sure you're going to come back?
Of course, I will come back.
Promise me.
Of course. Alright? I'll come back for you. Alright, be strong. Okay.
Right.
Thank you. Okay.
I wanna be free. I want to see life. Yes, I wanna be free. Can't be zeno among. I wanna be free. I wanna see life. Obi mudere do. Yegadima.
Father, you have to tell me what is going on. I'm your father. I don't have to tell you anything.
No, you have to tell me. You have to tell me why you're frustrating my life.
Son,
there are so many secrets in your closet that is even bigger than the throne of Ifite.
Son, it is the duty of every parent to make sure their children are comfortable. And that's exactly what I have done for you. In the next 2 days, you'll be presented to the Ibobi, the kingmakers, as the next heir. And thereby paving way for you, emergence as the next king of Ifite.
You lie. I'm not listening to what you're saying. One bit.
Boys, I can see you are fresh enough.
Now I get it. So you've been the one responsible for Akudo's misfortunes? When did you start employing the services of thugs, father? When?
These boys you call dogs will just bundle you now to Lydia's home for the traditional marriage which is taking place now.
I can never get married to Lydia. Akudo is the woman I want to marry, and that's final. You cannot stop me, father. Ask my father. He will tell you that I'm a low-key madman. If you don't leave my way this minute, you'll be a dead man.
I am the lion and still a lion. You must learn to obey my orders.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go and bring Ono for me, really.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Son, go upstairs and freshen.
Shebi, you say you be king, oh, yo. Shebi, you say you get power, oh, kanenenu. You say money they rule the world, but money no save the world. You say power they rule the world, but power no go save you for that.
Son, you are ready. Come on, cheer up. Put up a smiling face. It's an omen for you to be angry on the day of your marriage. Come on.
Why are you doing this?
All for you. You see, as soon as you get married to a lady, the formal presentation takes place and you're on your way to becoming the next king of Ifite, and thereby preserving our future.
You can force the horse to the stream, but you can never force the horse to drink water.
Son, do not underestimate your father. I cannot only take the horse to the stream, but I will make sure I drown the horse in the stream. Come on, boys. We don't have time. What are we still waiting for? Let's go.
You want to rule alone. I want to live alone. Anywhere you go, people must know. Mana ibiri kambirio. You chop, I chop. If you na niye gadima. Yo. Kaibiri no. Live a live. Kaibiri. Let us live in one. Let us live in peace. Unity and harmony is the key. Let me live and enjoy my life. My life for one day. One Africa.
Please, you have to untie me. I really need to ease myself, please.
You are allowed to ease yourself just once a day.
Look, deep down inside me, I know you're a nice person. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Please, you know ever since I got to this place, I've been of good behavior. I beg you, please. Just untie me, I need to ease myself.
She'll untie you. I will untie you just for 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Thank you very much.
And after which, can you tell me?
You want to rule alone. I want to live alone. Anywhere you go, people must know. Mana ibiri kambirio, obada ni kwamba o. You chop, I chop o.
What is going on? Nothing is happening out there.
Your Majesty, please, Biko, calm down, calm down. You see, that was why I called you inside. We cannot be discussing the presence of your entourage people that are outside there. I'm even surprised. I'm honestly surprised of when they told me that you are at the gate with your entourage, wanting to see me. So that's why I said, let us come inside and discuss this matter, please. You know, I have a great respect for you as the king of my community.
Mr. Attorney General,
Your Majesty,
have ended up not making any sense. What is happening?
Your Majesty, Lydia is my daughter.
Who already accepted to be my daughter-in-law. I mean, so what is happening?
Oh, Your Majesty, there is a misinformation here. My daughter told me in confidence that she has already rejected your son's proposal.
Nonsense!
What?
Nonsense!
She told me so, Your Majesty.
It's not possible. She has already been chosen by the Queen. I mean, nonsense!
Your Majesty, calm down.
Don't tell me that nonsense.
Your Majesty.
No, don't tell me that.
Your Majesty.
I said don't tell me that. I know it is the handling of my son.
Calm down.
Guards! Get me that boy. Get me this.
Your Majesty, please don't just go like that, please.
Mama. 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 Hey. Mama! Now that I have your attention, Madam, can you start by telling me what my future look like?
If you insist, then I'll tell you. In a few months from now, you will get pregnant and bring shame to your entire family.
Daughter.
The heartbreak will cause the death of your mother.
No! Mama! Mama! Please. Please to me because you have forgive me. Don't do this to me, Mama, because Mama, I love you. Please, don't do this to me, Mama. Help! Help! Help me! Help! Mama, what can I do without you, Mama? Hey! Mama! Mama!
My life is a question, and my love life, and my destiny. And where am I to do? Onyega kawa kamiri siwe bana koibo abo amo. I wanna be free. I want to see life. Yes, I wanna be free.
Why is she leaving almost immediately after taking her bath?
I wanna be free. I wanna see life. obimu dere du iye gadima iye gadima iye gadima iye gadima iye gadima
The ego symbol looks exactly like the one on my hand. Oh mine! These are all signs. But signs to what? Oh my, confused.
I want to ease myself. Okay, can you pull over so I ease myself? I just said I want to ease myself. Can you pull over so I can ease myself?
You have to be quiet. This place is not your palace, so you mind the way you talk, else.
Have you forgotten that I'm the prince of this kingdom? I command you, pull over so the prince can ease himself.
Now listen to me. Your father has instructed me not to stop this car until I bring you down to the palace. When you get to the palace, you can do whatsoever you want to do. But for now, do not disturb me.
I am not disputing the fact that you're trying to obey instructions, but I need to ease myself. Or do you want me to disgrace myself by being here? I won't take time.
Kodo. Boss. When I get in front of you park, let him ease himself. I am doing this for one reason.
Shebi, you say you be king, oh, yo. Shebi, you say you get power, oh, you say money they rule the world, but money no save the world. You say power they rule the world, but power no go save you for that.
Can you just step back? Do you want to stay here and I'll pee? So you don't have respect. Shit! Go. What are you trying to do? You want to shoot the prince? Shut up! Park the car very well! Park the car very well!
Your Majesty, see, you don't need to get yourself worked up because of this. Huh? Before you know it, they'll be here.
When? They'll be here. Their duty is to escort the prince from the palace. That's all. Up till now, they've not been here. When do you think they will be here?
Your Majesty, in no distant time, they will be here. Don't work yourself up. Okay, why don't you just try calling them again?
Calling them, but it's not connecting.
Try again, it could be network. Try again.
Your Majesty, I'm sorry, there's a little problem now. The prince escaped.
What? I entrusted my son in your care, and you're telling me this nonsense?
Your Majesty, it's not what you think. The prince made me understand that he wants to ease himself, and I allowed him, only for the prince to hit my men, and took to his heels.
Both of you are fools. You are fit for the trash bin. Where is my son?
Your Majesty, just give me some time, I will find him. I am still in search of him.
Now listen, before sunset, if I do not see my son, you will regret ever working with me.
It's okay, Your Majesty, fine.
Majesty, what is it?
What are you doing here? You meant to be in Dikeh's house.
It's really complicated. My prince, what about you? What are you doing in the middle of nowhere? I waited for you, but you disappointed me by not coming back.
It's a long story. I've been through a lot since today. Okay? It's as if the whole world is turning against me.
What do you mean by the whole world is turning against you? Eh?
My love, we have to leave here right now. Here is not safe. Please.
Wait. What about my brother? Were you able to set him free?
No. I searched everywhere in the palace. He's not there. But I promise you he's safe. Okay? We'll keep searching. We'll find him. But we need to leave, please.
Hold on, huh? There is something I must show you. I was led to this place with what my mother told me. My foster mother. It means that only the people from the royal family bears this mark.
Wait, I'm confused. Does it mean that you're a princess?
How am I supposed to know? I mean, who should we ask? Listen, my prince, you have to leave here. You have to go back to the palace. I am sure by now your father must be looking for you. And he might have placed a bounty on your head. Please, go. Let's just leave here and never return.
Do not worry about that, alright? This is more important to me right now. We need to stay back and solve this puzzle.
Then how do we do that? We don't have a clue. Listen, my prince, you have to go. And I need you to help me find my brother. It's very important to me.
Your brother is fine. I have faith that your brother is fine. Trust me. No, don't worry. Listen to me. Your brother is fine. Trust me. Okay? First, we need to find answer to this.
But how? How do we do that? How?
Okay, let's leave this place. I have a solution.
What nonsense is this? What nonsense?
Your Majesty, what happened? You're back so soon. Did you forget anything?
Forget what? Your son wants to bring shame to this family. But I'll surely stand with him before he ever succeeds.
Your Majesty, please, just calm down.
After all I did for him, what is all this nonsense for?
Calm down and tell me what happened. Where is Lydia? Or didn't the ceremony take place?
What ceremony? It's all over. Your son has finally got what he bargained for. And besides, he's nowhere to be found. Lydia has turned down the proposals. But I'll show him that I am the lion, and I am still the lion that I am. Anyway, I've instructed the guards to grab Henry anytime he enters his compound.
This is so strange and confusing. It cannot be.
What cannot be? No, what cannot be, you know? You are the most trusted of my father's cabinet members. And above all, you are well grounded in this land. You should know the meaning of this mark.
Yes.
What does it mean?
There must be a mix-up somewhere.
Okay.
You see, we thought King Dikeh I and all his family members were dead. His only daughter was the only one bearing the royal mark. One given to those born to the royals. So this is strange.
Wait, please. Please tell us. We are so confused. I only got to find out about my birth today. And all along, I've been seeing a woman with a child. Always. I mean, now it's beginning to make sense to me. Please, explain.
Just hold on. I'm coming to that. Oh no. Are you trying to say that this mark is a mark of royalty?
Yes.
So why don't I have the same mark? Or am I not royalty too?
Of course you are.
Yes. You are supposed to have the mark.
So what happened?
You see, your father's ascendance to the throne was full of mystery. In fact, so many things happened at that time. As soon as the news filtered out that King Dikeh and the family were all dead, the hunt for the successor began. And traditionally, your father was among the contenders, being a brother to the late king.
Wait.
Being a brother to the late king.
Wait, please. I want to really understand. Are you trying to say that the king is my uncle? What? Please, no, go ahead. We are listening.
All the successors started to disappear one after the other. In fact, at a point, some of them dropped their ambition of becoming the king.
Leaving my father as the only contender to the throne. Go on. I want to understand something. Then what happened?
Your father was finally presented before the Council of Kingmakers.
Okay.
But without the offer. That was why you were not given the mark.
Oh my. This is serious. Oh no, please.
What about my parents? No one found out about what happened to them? I mean, someone should be held responsible for that.
It was spoken in whispers and behind walls for fear of abduction.
Agamabunu iyasi namgabu Akai mabuni ya choro kamburu. When the waves of life come blows at you, don't worry, jideki jie. Mane echifukwana no onye gabu eze. Echizokwala no onye gachi ochichi. Destiny may be delayed, destiny cannot be denied. Akara akana di eme ya yichao. Eze sinachi. Chinemeze. Eze sinachi. Ogaranyanga nanga. Chinemeze. Chukunemeze. Eze sinachi. Ogaranyanga nanga.
You all are a bunch of fusing vagabonds, incompetent fools. You compost. All these muscles are just mere decoration. Where is my son?
Your Majesty, I am sorry we lost him in the bush. Like I told you, he took us unaware. He took my men and I unaware. Hit down one of my men and took to his heels.
Silence. If by dawn I did not see my son.
Your Majesty.
Who does interrupt me?
Apologies, Your Majesty. But I have good news for you, sir. I got news of the whereabouts of the Prince, Your Majesty.
What did I just hear you say?
Yes, Your Majesty. I got the news from a very reliable source and the present location of the Prince, Your Majesty.
You may just go.
Listen, we have to leave here, and very fast. Your father and his henchmen will be here any moment from now.
Yeah, that's true. Uncle, please, thank you very much for the revelation. We appreciate it.
May the God be with you. Thank you. God will guide you.
Do not come close. 1 bit.
Oh no. Now I see. You are the snitch that has been grooming my son, turning him against me. Anyway, I will still come back to that. Son, you have decided to disobey me. I gave you the whole world. What do I get in return? Betrayal. Bring her to me.
I said, do not come 1 inch. Let go.
Hey! Now, nothing is holding you from becoming the king of the kingdom.
You can say that again. You are very correct, my brother.
Well, I'm looking forward to the Ofala. And when we shall take charge of the affairs of this kingdom, but do not forget, we shall trade with caution.
Very correct. Sorry, my dear friend. I am not leaving any witness.
Shebi you say you be king, oh, yo. Shebi you say you get power, oh, you say money they rule the world, but money no save the world. You say power they rule the world, but power no go save you for that. Every ritual.
Good, sir. Are you well now?
I'm getting better. Please, where am I?
My dad saw you in the bush when you were struggling with a pool of blood in your head. So he brought you up. And ever since then, he has been taking care of you. How are you feeling now?
I'm getting better. Thank you. So, where's your dad?
Yeah, he went out for one thing, but he'll be back very soon.
Okay.
Sorry.
Please, can you get me water?
Okay, no problem.
They thought by killing me, you cover all our secrets with my death. I knew all along that you were a very selfish man. And when I regained consciousness, I knew God had given me another chance to make things right. Oh, where have you been all these years? You had a chance to report to the police or the authorities. Yes, I knew that, but I had something better. Without that, your authority as king of Ifite would be nothing. Therefore, your name? Yes. It would have strengthened you as the true king in Ifite. I never knew you were still alive. I'm sorry for playing a role in your parents' death. Your father was a wonderful king. No!
Hello.
Yes, hello? Lady, I've been calling you. You've not been picking my calls. Neither do you reply my WhatsApp messages. Oh, please, honey, I know I have wronged you. I know, but just give me time to explain.
Unfortunately, Prince Henry, I am not interested.
Oh, Lady, you can't say that. You can't possibly say that. Please. Things faith brings to our path. I believe faith has played its part between Akudo and I. Everything.
Please. Like I said before, I am not interested in any of your stories. Do not call this number again. Excuse me.
Lydia, hello? Damn, she hung up.
Lydia. Well, thank you so much for honoring my invitation. You're most welcome.
So why did you send me? I thought I already made myself clear that I do not want to have anything to do with all of this. Prince Henry is a grown-up man. And he has the right to choose whosoever he wants to marry. I am not interested.
Calm down, Lydia. Calm down. I know you're very angry. But listen. I want you to put the past behind you Put everything that happened between you and the prince behind you and reconcile with me. Please. What's funny?
You, my boy, you are very funny. How is that possible? You want me to put behind me everything that he has done and reconcile with him, right?
Don't you believe in faith?
Faith. Unfortunately, I do not care. I am fine without your so-called prince. Why didn't you marry him after all? Really? Haven't I seen you in his car before?
That is exactly why I invited you here. Listen to me, Lydia, you have to just calm down. Put everything that happened behind you and move on. Settle with Henry, my cousin. Oh yes, you heard me correctly. Lydia, honestly, what you think about me is not what I truly am. Yes. Anyway, it's fine. I'll let both of you to do the catching up together. I'll see you.
Once again, please. I'm sorry.
It's indeed a great day to remember. Glad that all of you witnessed this day. But this celebration will never be for our community alone. Oh no. Inform the neighboring communities. Tell them that I, Igwe Ogadagidi, one of the kingdom, I will be having my first ofala to mark my coronation as the Igwe of Ifite Kingdom. Tell them to assemble on the Eke market day. Let the young, the old, everyone is invited.
I will be what I'm meant to be. Makana akara kana di me yangi chao. I will be